Good morning, students. Class 8th Science, and our topic today is alloys. Firstly, did you know non-metals in the human body? Non-metals such as a carbon and phosphorus play the important role of living beings. Phosphorus is present in bone and helps cell obtain energy from food. It is also an important part of genetic material of the cell, and all organic things made by carbon. And next topic, alloy. An alloy is obtained by mixing two or more metal, or a metal and a non-metal is called alloy. For example, brass is alloy. It is generally produced by heating 80% of copper Cu metal and 20% of zinc metal. Some other common alloys are steel, bronze and duralium. It is the simplest form. Bronze is the alloy of copper and tin Sn. Steel is made up of mixing a small amount of carbon with iron Fe. Mixing two or more metals can improve the physical properties of metals. Alloys are generally harder and stronger and have a lower melting point. His melting point is low and it is harder and stronger substance. An alloy has a properties of typical metal but different from the properties of the metal it is made from. For example, stainless steel, which is the alloy of iron, it is very different from iron metal. Stainless steel is highly malleable, strong and rust proof. It is produced by mixing certain amount of nickel metal, chromium metal and carbon with iron. Carbon with iron. You have seen some alloys here in chart. Some alloys, their properties and uses. Duralium constituent aluminum, copper, trace of magnesium and manganese. Properties very strong, corrosion resistance, lightweight. Uses aircraft engine, car engine, pressure cooker, industrial cauldrons, undersea vessels, ships. Magnesium, aluminum and magnesium. Property very hard, lightweight, huge instruments and automobile parts. Steel, iron and carbon constituent. Properties hard, usage screw, railway lines, bridges, buildings. Stainless steel, iron, carbon, nickel, chromium. Properties shiny, strong and corrosion resistance. Uses nuts and bolts, utensils, surgical equipment, decorative items such as vases, jewelry and lamps. Bronze, copper and tin. It is strong and low melting point. Uses coins, medal, statues, decorative items. Did you know all the Rio 2016 Olympics medal weighed 500 gram. Each gold medal was made up of 496 gram of silver with purity 92.5% and was plated with 6 gram of pure gold. The silver medal was entirely made up of silver 92.5% purity and bronze medal was composed to 475 gram of copper and 25 gram of zinc. According to Brazilian Mint, which created a medal, 30% of silver is used to medals was obtained from a waste such as X-ray plates. car parts and mirror surface. While the copper used was taken from the scrap found in the mint itself. Moreover, the beautiful ribbons that held the medal were created from used plastic bottles. Do you have known this? These things, medals are Olympic medals are prepared. His weight 500 grams. Thank you students, and your chapter is finished.